Umothe ariguo muthenya wa mwisho wa gukunguira kiumia kia Manathi. Magana ma Manathi ni magomanite University-ini wa Taita Taveta. Atongoria matiganite matongoretio ni Ngavana wa Machakos Alfred Mutua ni marekinyetie kigomono-ini giki na kuria oigite he bata gukurana wira uria urutagwo ni Manathi. Oho Mutua ni akomithetie thirikari kumana na kiro igite ni kwaga mitaratara mirungiriru ya kuriha Manathi aya mishara yao ona thengia yao gukorwo nio marutaga wira uria muingi ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri.
When nurses of this country decided to go on strike so that their allowances or whatever they had agreed with in county governments could be assured, there was miscommunication. Nurses wanaongea hivi, serikali kuu inaongea hivi. Kama unajua kule Machakos mimi nurses wangu niliwalipa. Because an agreement is an agreement.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa Ngavana wa kaunti ya Taita Taveta Majala Marangui niaugite mari na mubango ya gwaka ruhonge rwa mwanya rwa gutangikira maundu ngurani thibitari-ini nene ya kaunti yo mwena wa Voi.
We are currently waiting to see what exactly is going to happen with the funding, and we hope that the Ministry of Health will be getting back to us shortly about the 500 million that is required to start the building of that center.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri bunge-ini ya kaunti Frank Mumare ni amenererie thirikari cia matura kumana na kwandika Manathi kuhetukira kandarathi undu uria uhotomithetie mirutire yao ya wira.
Wauguzi ni watu wa muhimu sana, na hata mimi naungana na aliyesimama hapa akasema msikubali kuajiriwa kama vibarua, maana contract ni kibarua. Kibarua wa miaka 3 unafutwa. Wacha nurses waajiriwe kwa P&P, permanent and pensionable.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Taita Taveta ndikoretwo na aruti wira aiganu ta Manathi na arigitari undu uria uhotomithetie motungata ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muthoni wa Wangari.